So I just got done doing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because that's the one that I'm receiving. So now to try to get one more done, since it was not really a full look, I am gonna do BoxyCharm. This is the just regular BoxyCharm, and I still have the premium.
Remember me?
So this month is Sunshine, and this is variation 38. So we have the Pure Festival palette, which is 12 shades in it, and this one retails for $36. This itself already paid for my box. I just like to throw it out there just in case you're new to everything and you would like to know and see how you could join or subscribe for, or what comes with it and stuff like that. So we have the next in here. I have the the first thing here, should I say, on the list is actually 111 Skin. It's NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. It's already night, but I will still use this. I did put the
yeah, but we do have.
I did put the.
We do already have another video.
Purist from Ipsy, the 2-in-1 primer and moisturizer. But I'm just gonna use I am Beauty Care facial vitamin C serum makeup remover wipes. That's what I use to remove my eyes. So let me tell you that this one here retails for $135. A daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollutions through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. So this little bottle is $135.
Yes, and we are gonna get an audio, I think.
Oh my goodness, this is like very thick. Like when I'm pulling it out, it just feels thick.
Really? Can I feel it? Can I check it out?
Okay. So I'm just gonna do 1, 2 drops and try this. Oh wow.
I want to pick it up.
It's very, one more for the top here. It is very no. I thought it was gonna be like a thick cream, but no, it's actually pretty lightweight. And then we have the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, which is this one. This is $28. Oh. And I think this is a soft brunette.
We need a knife. No. Okay.
So in one end.
Ah, buddy. No.
And here's the other end. And then there is, well, the Pure Cosmetic Palette. And then there's Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask. It's a 12 pads. So I wonder if I should probably use that first, which is this one. Probably should have done that one first, and then the 111 Skin, whatever it's called. Déjame. So these are the patches, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply while I do. It's pretty. Can you see the liquid going?
It looks like this bubbles.
It does have bubbles.
Oh.
So, okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
I'll do the other one for you, Mom.
Yeah, put the other one on.
Very squishy.
Nope, the other way around. Nope, Erendira. Así como te lo estoy dando. Así. Thank you. Okay. And there's that. And then this is the last item here, which is one of the brush cleaners from Lavish. So that one is $20. So just real quick, I am going to just do a simple little.
Yeah. Well, do it hard.
¿Cómo que hard? What are you gonna do hard? Crazy.
I got it for you. So is it for your eyes?
No, yo lo voy a hacer. So this is the brush that I used on previous from the Ipsy bag. Selena, just go ahead, go start it. I'll be there, I'm almost done.
Bye. Bye, guys.
What? Come on. Go. It's okay. I'll be there.
You shooing me?
Yeah, shoo.
No, it's not.
I know, really. I know. Okay, so I use Insta-Worthy. Oh, so these are the colors. I didn't even show you guys the colors. So I use this one here. And I am going to use, I'm going to go with this one here just because it kind of matches my nails. And I'm just going to use this fluffy, this flat one. I'll probably do my foundation and everything, but because of situations, this thing's falling. I am gonna skip that, and I mean, I'm gonna be taking my makeup off right now, like in 30 minutes or so. It's 15 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I don't know. It's time to go, Mimi. Things are just sliding down. I don't hear it. Silegna. No lo oigo.
That to put it on me too.
Yeah.
Let's take these off.
No, you don't have to take it off. What do you want? ¿De este? I'll put it on right now. Espérate. So let's go ahead and do a brew. So now I'm gonna go in with one of these, and so that this color was,
I'm guessing
turn it up. Now I'm gonna use, ¿qué dice? Euphoric.
Yes.
So now I'm gonna use this one. So I use este, and este is the next one I'm gonna use, and this one I'm just gonna use right here. That's why I kind of left a little bit there, because I'm gonna go ahead, eat some papitas, guys. Just to use right here.
No, I am waiting for you, Mom.
What am I supposed to? They're waiting for me to watch a movie. We're like in a Twilight
Yep.
marathon each night. Almost each night. Every other night we're watching one. And then we'll watch the other one.
Yep, we will.
Yep. So that's that. Here, your turno.
Yes. Take us. It is big like you.
Here. Okay. I mean, these are pretty colors. So just something plain and simple. I mean, it's not the same because my face is not done. No mascara. But just it's not a good video. I know. I'm sorry. It's night. I'm just trying to get these things done, and so I could put these away because I have just these boxes here, and it just looks messy. I love you, Mama. It just looks messy, so I want to put these cosmetics and stuff away, but I just need to, you know, do the review and stuff like that. So thank you for another video. So yeah, thank you for watching. About this, this would be my third one that I have, that I own of these brush thingies. So I won't be using this that much right now. This one, I like it because it's very like soft, like more like natural. But the only problemo is that this also have that from Ipsy that it just goes down pretty fast. Let's see, I can show you guys.
So great, Mom. Seems like it.
So this is light brunette, so I mean it's not bad. See, it does make a difference, and it looks natural. It doesn't look like I have all kinds of stuff on my face. So this is awesome. This is beautiful. I'm not sure about this. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. I mean, eye stuff are always good. Like I had said before in my previous videos, I don't use eye stuff. I'm not a fan of it. I know I should be using them more often. And it's an important part of the skincare routine to take care of your eyes, because your eyes are very delicate and all these wrinkles, and yeah. But yeah, I really do like everything. Let's see, what am I missing? This is pretty expensive. It's very nice. I love the fact that it is a pollution defense booster and light, what is it? And
we
light
always like
pollution, blue light pollution. I don't know, but yeah, I really do like this. This is a 5-star box this month, so I really do enjoy it. I mean, compared to last month's Boxy Luxe, it was just like a regular Boxy. It wasn't a luxe to me. I didn't feel like it was a luxe. This one's pretty good. It's worth it, especially with that one product from the One Skin, whatever it's called. It's awesome. That really paid it off. So here I am again on ending this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.